Well guys, today I want to take a look at this Milwaukee tool kit that I bought from Home Depot. It is the Milwaukee number 2498-25. It's their M12 5-tool combo kit. These are Milwaukee's subcompact system 12-volt cordless tools. These are not brushless cordless tools. Now this was bought at Home Depot and they're on sale for $199 plus tax. And as with anything, prices sometimes don't mean as much as you think. Everything in this kit came in this bag that you see here. And looking inside, we see some of the tools here. We have the battery charger. We have the 3/8" square drive ratchet. We have a work light over here. We have a sawzall here. We have a drill driver here. And we have a hex driver here. And it also came with 2 batteries. So let's look at each item. Now I did talk about pricing. So this is their M12 charger, the number 48-59-2401. Amazon has it for $16.89. It's $55 on Home Depot website. Next up, we see the M12 Red Lithium 12-volt 1.5 amp compact lithium-ion battery with overload protection. You get 2 of these. It's their number 48-11-2401. At Amazon, they're $26.85 each. They're $49 each on Home Depot's website. Next up is the M12 3/8" square drive cordless ratchet, number 2457-20. Now, all these tools are tool only, no battery. That's how these prices are, because that's how the kit basically was here. So, at Amazon, it's $108.90, $179 on Home Depot's website. As you can see, it also comes with a 3/8 to 1/4" drive impact adapter. Next up, guys, is the M12 12-volt LED work light, number 49-24-0146, $29.95 at Amazon, $39 on Home Depot's website. Guys, this cool little tool is the M12 Hackzall. They spell it Hackzall, cordless reciprocating saw. It's number 2420-20, $67.99 at Amazon, $99 on Home Depot's website. This is the M12 1/4" cordless hex impact driver, number 2462-20, $48.95 at Amazon, $99 on Home Depot's website. And last but certainly not least is the M12 3/8" cordless drill driver, number 2407-20, $42.95 at Amazon, $89 on Home Depot's website. Alright guys, I talked about the pricing from Amazon and Home Depot. If you were to buy these tools separately, with the tool only and without the tool bag, Amazon's total cost would be $369.33. At Home Depot, again without the tool bag and bought separately, you'd spend $658. So that's a difference of $288.67 if you bought these off of Amazon. So that's a heck of a savings. Well, I paid $199 from Home Depot, so I still think that is a great deal over buying each tool separately from Amazon. Now with the supplied charger, you can see when a battery's fully charged, you have a green light. On a battery that needs charging, we'll get a red light. When I bought that kit, I also bought separately from the Home Depot store this M12 12-volt lithium-ion XC extended capacity 3 amp hour battery. It's a 2-pack. It's their number 48-11-2412, $73.88 at Amazon, $79 at the Home Depot website. And I bought these because I wanted to get some batteries with a higher amp hour rating, which would improve my tool's running time on a single charge. Alright guys, and as you can see here, I like to use the rigid toolboxes. This is the rigid that I did a review of last week. This is the rigid Pro Gear Power Tool Case Gen 2, and as you can see, all the tools in this kit fit nicely inside there. Alright guys, I will do a review that will further get into each tool and show how it operates in another video.